Hello and welcome to Consumer Times, your trusted guide to consumer rights, awareness, and empowerment and education. Today we will talk about packed commodity rules as per the Legal Metrology Act, 2009, plays a crucial role in ensuring transparency, consumer protection, and fair trade practices in India. One of its key aspects is the regulation of pre-packaged commodities through the Legal Metrology Packaged Commodities Rules 2011. These rules set out essential requirements that manufacturers, packers, and importers must follow while selling pre-packaged goods. Now, we will explore the packed commodity rules, their significance, and the key provisions every consumer and business should know. Before we dive further and discuss, please comment, like, share and do not forget to subscribe and press bell icon to motivate us. Packed commodity rules refer to a set of regulations under the Legal Metrology Act that ensure accurate weight, measure, and labeling of pre-packaged goods sold in India. These rules apply to all pre-packaged goods, except a few exempted categories like medical devices, certain food items, and goods meant for institutional or industrial use. The key provisions of packed commodity rules are the Legal Metrology Packaged Commodities Rules 2011 outline various requirements that businesses must comply with while selling packaged goods. Here are the most important ones. Need mandatory declarations on pre-packaged goods. Every packaged product must include the details such as name and address of the manufacturer, packer, importer. This ensures traceability and accountability. Common or generic name of the commodity. The product should be easily identifiable by its name, must be declared in standard units, grams, kilograms, milliliters, liters, etc. Maximum retail price, MRP. The price must be inclusive of all taxes and should be clearly mentioned. Date of manufacture, packing, or import. Consumers should be aware of when the product was produced or packed. Expiry or best before date, where applicable, especially important for food, pharmaceuticals, and perishable items. Customer care contact information. A helpline number or email for consumer grievances. The font size requirements for declarations are, to improve readability, the legal metrology rules specify minimum font sizes for different declarations based on the package size. This prevents misleading or hidden information on product labels. The e-commerce compliance is, with the rise of online shopping, the rules have been updated to ensure compliance in the e-commerce sector. Online sellers must display all mandatory declarations, such as MRP, net quantity, and manufacturer details, on digital platforms before a consumer makes a purchase. Certain essential commodities like milk, bread, pulses, and bottled water must be sold in standardized weights and measures. This regulation helps consumers compare products easily and prevents unfair trade practices. Manufacturers and retailers cannot charge different MRPs for the same pre-packaged product under different circumstances, for example in malls versus retail stores. Dual MRP practices are considered unfair and can lead to penalties. The penalties for non-compliance is non-compliance with the Legal Metrology Packaged Commodities rules can lead to penalties, including fines and prosecution. The penalties vary based on the nature of the violation. First offense, fine up to 25,000 rupees. Second offense, fine up to 50,000 rupees. Subsequent offenses, fine up to 1 rupee, 00000 or imprisonment. The importer and manufacturer responsibilities is, importers and domestic manufacturers must register themselves under legal metrology laws and obtain approval for their packaging and labeling practices. They must also ensure compliance with declarations before selling their products in the Indian market. The packed commodity rules are important as the enforcement of these rules brings several benefits to consumers and businesses. Consumer awareness and protection. Accurate labeling helps consumers make informed choices. Prevention of fraudulent practices. ensures fair trade by preventing deceptive packaging and pricing tactics. Regulatory compliance for businesses helps businesses avoid legal penalties and enhances their credibility. Standardization in the market ensures uniformity in packaging and declaration practices, making it easier for consumers to compare products. Recent amendments and updates. The government periodically updates the legal metrology, packaged commodities, rules to align with current market needs. Some recent updates include relaxation of labeling requirements for certain products, digitization of compliance processes to simplify business registration and approval, stricter enforcement against misleading advertisements and false claims. Understanding packed commodity rules is crucial for both consumers and businesses. While consumers benefit from transparency and protection against unfair trade practices, businesses gain credibility and avoid legal troubles by complying with the regulations. The Legal Metrology Act ensures that all pre-packaged goods in India meet standardized requirements, promoting fair trade and consumer trust. By staying informed about these rules, businesses can ensure compliance, and consumers can make well-informed purchasing decisions. If you found this information useful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel, Consumer Times, for more such updates.